Hey everyone, so this is Street Smart Joker, and today we have yet another unboxing video. I think a lot of people like unboxing of sorts, although I try not to do too many unboxing. But this is one which I really wanted to do, and the reason for that is I want to share the excitement of opening these comics along with all of you, because this is not the standard DC Marvel graphic novel which I usually buy. This is a comic, a couple of them I hope. It's been recommended to me by several of people who are part of the comic community, and they said to me to go and grab this before the stocks run out, right? And that's the reason why I went ahead and bought it, even though I felt the shipping on this was pretty high, purely because it was not available in Amazon like for Prime shipping. This was only available for seller based shipping, which means the seller had to ship it out from his own, using his own delivery service of sort, right? So I had to pay extra shipping for that. I was not too happy for that, but I really wanted to get this comic, so it doesn't matter. So this comic, or the comics inside of this, is Odayan, right? I ordered part 1 and part 2. Unfortunately, that's the only two part that has been published by Level 10 Comics, and who have since then I think ceased to exist. I don't know too much of them after that. Maybe I'll do some background check and understand more of the comics which they published, and if they are exciting, I will definitely pick those up in times to come. With that, let's go and jump into the unboxing of these two comics. So I finally opened it up. So that's Odayan number 1 and Odayan number 2. Really, the comics look super good condition, and I was happy with the packaging as well. It was well packed inside the cardboard packing, so I don't see any bends or any anything unusual in these books. Look in pristine condition, which is great, right? As a collector, I would always love to have the books in the best of condition. Now, for those of guys who don't know who this is published from, this is published by Level 10 Comics. They call it like Pop Culture Publishing, right? And I don't know, this company started off in 2009, and one of the most famous books that I know from this company is on the comic magazine called Jump, but that was more of manga stuff. So what they tried to do was they tried to go into different sort of comic arenas and tried to work their way around. I don't think they succeeded too much, because I don't see further issues of Odayan published after that. They had also published some other series called Shaurya and Jump and few others, although I don't know how good they are or how bad they are, so I would not recommend them unless I give them a read myself. But I heard great reviews on Odayan, and the artwork, interestingly, as you will see soon, is going to be in black and white, but that doesn't take away anything from the spectacle this book has. So Odayan, the number 1, they named it as Arambham, right? Arambham means the beginning. So it's a Malayalam word, because Odayan is set in the backdrops of Kerala. So from what I've read and understood, this guy, he takes inspiration from Kathakali, which is the way, I mean, you could see the paints on his face. This is from the Kerala dance form called Kathakali, which is one of the most popular dance forms in Kerala. And he takes his so there is both a culture which is drawn from Kathakali, as well as the action or his fights, everything is drawn inspiration from Kalaripayat. He's a master at it. So he is not the hero that you would expect. In fact, I would call him a vigilante of sorts. Not the vigilante like a black Batman or a V for Vendetta clad in a leather suit or something, but that's where I think he takes a turn. I also really like this kind of binding, which talks about both the authors and the creators. One is Suhas Sundar, Another one is Deepak Sharma, and I really like this opening page, which shows this very interesting face with which shows a lot of emotions. It's kind of like a smirk on your face, kind of like a V for Vendetta kind of mode, but the eyes are glaring red. So that's where Odayan starts from. We will quickly go through some pages. I saw this first page and I thought this is going to be a color comic, which it is not. Right? It's just that the first page was, few pages were shown in some sort of color, and then immediately it moves to the black and white. I haven't read this story, so I don't want to comment on it, but I really heard great reviews about it, and in between there are splashes of colors which comes in, which really makes it stand out. And also it has some words from Malayalam. It's not words per se, but it's basically sounds that is written in Malayalam language. I know it, so I can even understand what that means. So it starts with the background of Odayan and how he came to be and stuff like that is what I think it is. Wow, look at that splash page. So I would definitely read this and put in a review for you guys, but one recommendation I would say that if you guys are a comic lover and do pick up Indian comics, this is something you should definitely try picking up. Really love the cover arts as well. And yeah, since it's out of print, I'm sure that there could only be a limited number of copies in availability now, so better get your hands fast. Really loving the artwork in this. In a first glimpse, it's very clean, it's not hazy. It shows the characters very clearly, and it presents a backdrop of the old Kerala, when all this Kalaripayattu and everything was at its forefront, and it used to have a system of lords and it's kind of like the king's rule times. Wow, look at that amazing cover art. Yeah, so this is kind of like a feudal system backdrop in which the story is set in, and yeah, the interesting part is it mixes the backdrop, brings in a lot of action which stands out as I'm shifting the pages, and then story is something which I would really give it a read and then come to you back about. So first impressions look really good, and I expected it to be really good because I've seen some reviews of it. I read some reviews of it. I even watched some videos of this prior to this, so I really expected it to have something around it. And the interesting part is it's a extended cover page, right, going all the way through. So it's saying that he is going to fight against somebody called a Zamorin, right? He wants to destabilize Zamorin's reign. Yeah, a vigilante of sorts, but yeah, story for later. And then I picked up Odayan number 2. This is called Yuddham, if you can see, right? Yuddham means war. So the first book was called The Beginning, and the second book is called Yuddham. I think in the last page of this book also gives the title for the next one, although that never got published. Again, same writers on this and same cover page. Again, really like this one, the kid sitting on top of the buffalo. So I'm seeing a lot of concepts that they've tried out in this book, and I really wish they don't stop here. I mean, if they can come back and give us a taste of what more Odayan promises in the first 2 books, I think definitely we have more people coming into the comic book world and buying these things of sorts. I see a lot of, like I said, right, a lot of interesting concepts is coming out in these pages. I mean, even looks like some black magic sort of stuff. Again, I really wish if they had these single issues in still available, I would definitely would want to pick them up simply after seeing the cover images being so brilliant. But I think that time is long gone. I'll be fortunate enough if I could stumble on few. But I would really want to hear you guys tell me how this book, if you've read it, what are your first impression. Yeah, again, it's another fight going on there. I think this is part of something which I really wanted to do, start exploring stuff more than the mainstream comics, and if that happens through Indian comics, well and good. Again, see the cover page there. So many great things going on in this book. It's really a sad thing that they kind of like had to stop midway. Maybe I'll write to them asking if they have any plans to come back and publish more of Odayan. I would really be one person who would pick them up again. Look at that artwork, right? So guys, simply seeing this artwork that I see in these pages, I would recommend you guys go and buy these books. It's still available on Amazon and Flipkart. Volume 2 is a bit difficult more than Volume 1, but I'll just give the links of these books on how to purchase them in my description below, and see if you can still grab a few copies for yourself, right? So it says that the next issue is called Pratiyogitam, or the tournament that was supposed to happen next. So we started with Arambham, we went to Yuddham, the beginning, the war, and next was the tournament, which never came out, right? So that's my quick video on Odayan and what it promises to be. And once I give it a read, I will give you a full review of these books if you guys are still interested to know about that. And that's where I'll sign off. So until next time, this is Street Smart Joker signing off. Bye bye.